Good morning, YouTube. I'm really excited today because I have in my hand the SNES Classic. Last year I had the NES Classic. This time it's the Super Nintendo. There's two controllers in it. Hopefully the cables are longer. I can't wait to play some Mario Kart. Let's open the box. Okay, so here's the box. On the front it says Super Nintendo Entertainment System Classic Edition. You can see the unit here with the two controllers, games included. Star Fox 2, Super Mario World, Donkey Kong Country, etc, etc. Super Mario Kart. Super NES console. It's a super retro blast from the past, from the 90s. Fully loaded and ready to play using original style Super NES controllers. There's a full list of the games here with visuals from many of the games. At the bottom there's actual screenshots. Man. Can't wait to start playing these games. Super NES Classic Controller. Play classic Super Nintendo Entertainment System games the way they were meant to be played on a full-sized original Super NES controller. The top of the box is Nintendo red, and you can see the Classics Nintendo logo here. Okay, let's open the box. Nintendo Super Mario World. So there's the manual. Is it a poster? Last time there was a poster. It is a poster. Now you're playing with superpower. Wow, this is awesome. Okay. Super Nintendo Classic Startup Instructions. Plug in the controllers. Plug in the power supply. That's it. So here's the adapter it comes with. Very nice. Here's one controller. Oh, this, even the plastic feels like how the originals felt. Looks very solid. And a nice long cable by the looks of it. Yep, pretty long cable. Okay. Here's the other controller. Both controllers, I believe, are pretty identical. Okay. And now, let's look at the actual console. Wow, that is so tiny, so small. This is smaller than it was last year. And there's the console. Wow. HDMI out and micro USB for power. Wow. And then on the top there's a power button and a reset button and a fake eject button. Nice Nintendo logo on the top corner here. Looks good. Pretty solid piece of plastic hardware here. And at the bottom of the box are a couple of cables. HDMI and power. Solid looking, good quality looking cables. USB to micro USB for power. And nice HDMI cable also included for sending your video to the screen. What a sweet device. Okay, I'm gonna hook everything up to the TV and start playing some games. So that panel opens like that. Okay, so let's set it to English. Okay. And here are the games arranged in a row, just like with the NES Classic. Okay, so what should we play first? What would you play first? Lots of tempting ones here. I think I'm gonna go for a little Super Mario Kart action. Wow, this is awesome. So you can do one player or two player. Haha, this is sick. Wow. This is pretty pixely looking. Oh yeah, this is still fun though. Oh, this is so fun. There we go, got him around the corner. Whoa, he got me again. I can't wait to play this two-player. Let's go to the settings, options. My gameplay demo, classic demo, screen burn introduction, reset to factory settings. So these are all defaulted to on. Language, legal notices, manual. So that's it. You never really have to go into that menu anymore. There's nothing to it. Oh, Star Fox, Street Fighter. Okay, anyway, there's gonna be tons of videos online with gameplay of all these games, so I guess I will end my quick unboxing video right now. This is awesome. This seems to be a lot more responsive than the NES Classic. Wow. And yeah, I can't wait to play these games. This is gonna be awesome. Okay, so that is my quick unboxing video of the SNES Classic Edition. What is your favorite game from the Super Nintendo? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please go ahead and press the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.